Concrete columns are one of the most critical structural elements in modern buildings, but without proper reinforcement, they can crack, buckle, or even collapse. In this video, we'll explain how to reinforce concrete columns the right way, and why getting it wrong can be a costly mistake. Reinforcing a concrete column means inserting steel bars inside the column before the concrete is poured. These bars, known as reinforcement, carry the load, prevent cracking, and hold the concrete together under stress. It's a combination of longitudinal bars, which run vertically, and lateral ties or stirrups, which wrap around the main bars to keep them in position. Concrete is strong when compressed, but it's weak when pulled or bent. In a tall or heavily loaded structure, columns face tension and shear forces that concrete alone can't handle. Reinforcement compensates for this weakness, especially in cases of wind, seismic activity, or uneven loading. It's not just about strength, it's about safety and compliance with building standards. Let's break down the main components of reinforced columns. First, longitudinal bars, the primary load-carrying elements. Second, ties or stirrups, which prevent buckling and resist shear. Third, concrete cover, which protects against corrosion and fire. And finally, bar spacing and anchorage, critical for load distribution. Mistakes in reinforcement design or installation can have serious consequences. Common issues include inadequate bar spacing, insufficient concrete cover, incorrect anchorage or tie placement, using the wrong size or type of bar for the load required. These can all lead to cracks, corrosion, or even structural failure over time. In most projects, the size, spacing, and layout of reinforcement are specified by a civil or structural engineer. Always follow the approved drawings and calculations, which are based on structural loads, column size, and applicable codes. On site, make sure reinforcement is tied and supported correctly, using chairs or spacers to maintain the required concrete cover. Even small deviations can reduce performance or lead to failures over time. Reinforcing columns starts with the right plan. If you're a UK contractor, send us your schedule for a quick quote. Link below. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more practical tips.